Georgie?
What have you got from Mike, Katie, and Freddie? Let's see. Aha! What's in there?
What's in there?
Something. Hold it.
What is that?
Oh my goodness!
Batman backpack.
Is it?
Yay!
Why don't you pull that out and see what it looks like? Oh my goodness!
Backpack.
Oh, that's nice, George.
That's super cool.
My favorite.
You like it? Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
You know who that's from?
Mhm.
That's from Uncle Mike.
Yeah. He
All right,
gave it to me.
let's cut the tags off, and then we can put all your stuff in it to go to school this morning.